Good evening everyone. I am B. Sangeeta Priya, working in a department of CSE IoT in SNS College of Technology. Today I am here to explain the operating system concept called disk management. In the introduction of the disk management is the key part of operating systems that handles the storage device. It also ensures the efficient storage, retrieval and the organization of the data. A real life trigger is how does your system finds the file so fast in queued storage. Then it manages the secondary storage like a hard disk and a solid state drives, so we can access the data easily. Now my students will explain the concept in DT based.
So I am here to tell about the defined stage of design thinking. So we clearly identify and frame the core problems related to disk management in OS. After understanding user needs, we analyze the major issues that affect the system performance. The first issue that we identify is low disk space utilization, where available storage is not used efficiently, which will be leading to wastage of memory. The second issue is fragmentation, where files are stored in scattered locations on the disk. This increases the time required to access data because the system has to search in multiple formats. The third issue is slow read and write speed, which directly impacts the overall performance of the system and causes delays for the users while opening, saving or transferring files.
Hello everyone, now I am going to speak about ideate stage. We all know that ideate stage is the third stage of design thinking. In this ideate stage, our team focused on generating the solution for the required problem statement. In this stage, we are using the algorithms like FCFS, which is the first come first serve, and SCAN and SSTF, which is shortest seek time first, which help in optimizing the order of disk access request to reduce disk time and improve efficiency. We also discussed about the disk partitioning, which divides disk into multiple sections and making data organization for access of data more efficient. Additionally, we considered file system optimization techniques to enhance storage performance and reduce the storage management system.
Good evening, myself Dinesh. So I am here to talk about the disk scheduling and the technical part. So there are 4 types of disk scheduling. They are first come and first serve, and shortest seek time first. Then scan is a elevator algorithm. So their purpose were to seek time will be reduced and their result will be the data access will be fast. So this were the disk scheduling.
Good evening everyone, myself Gokul. I am here to explain about data structures and allocations. In operating systems, the disk is organized as small parts so system can solve the real data and efficiently. The main thing is to track the record and the part of the disk where data is storage, and the sectors of small track each by one by one to continue the data structures. And the examples are like CDs and DVDs. And each circular line tracks line sector like DVD shapes, and each one sectors are queried to the track data to analyze the real-time virtual data. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm here to talk about the prototype of disk management. There are 2 types, disk partitions and disk scheduling diagrams. Now there is disk scheduling. Now I am here to talk about the disk scheduling. The disk scheduling means the user sends the data and they store it in the schedules. The stored schedules are FFC and SSTFC. These hard disks are removed and required to the storage. Data is read and write from the disk management. Next, disk partition diagram. Disk partition diagram, one physical disk and the divided partitions are multiples into the same files. Each partition stores different types of data. Next, they have simple tools for formatting. They have simple tools like paper, PowerPoints and softwares like Draw, Canva and Shapeware, flowcharts, hard rodden and diagrams.
Good evening everyone, now I am going to talk about the final stage, that is testing. After developing our solution, the next important step is testing. In this stage, we check whether our disk management techniques are actually improving the system performance. For example, we test if disk scheduling algorithm like FCFS, SSTF or SCAN are reducing the seek time and making data access faster.
We also evaluate whether our storage methods are using disk space efficiently. If there is still fragmentation or delay, we refine and improve the solution. Testing helps us understand the real world performance and ensures that the system meets user needs. In conclusion, combining disk management techniques with design thinking leads to better, smarter, and user friendly environment.
The final stage of DT, all 5 stages of the DT is explained here, and the final conclusion is about the performance optimization. The disk management has its disk defragmentations, which helps in performing the scheduling algorithms, and the SSD uses to improve the speed of the disk. Next is the disk management ensures that efficient storage, fast access, and a data safety. Thank you.